Hello friends, this is Nirmal for Technique, and in this video we'll talk about the car charger from Belkin. So we almost all of us use smartphones, and battery has been one of the major issues with almost all smartphones. If you use intensively, then the battery goes down, and when you're traveling or when you're driving, and if you're using maps, again the battery goes down a pretty much faster rate than the regular usage. So for all this you need a good car charger, especially when you're traveling and using the maps. So here we have the Belkin's USB Type-C charger, which has fast charging as well. So this is the Belkin charger with a 27 watt fast charging, and it's 3 amps 27 watts. And in this video we'll just talk about this. We'll show you how good the charging is, and it also comes with a 1.2 meter cable. That's a USB Type-C cable included. So this is the USB Type-C Belkin charger. This can charge with tablets, ultrabooks up to 27 watts. That's pretty good. It's not only limited to chargers, smartphones. It can even charge tablets and ultrabooks. So let's just open this, and we'll just show you the charger. So we have a couple of things here. So this is the car charger manual and information guide. And then we have the actual charger. So this is the Belkin's car charger, which actually looks quite good. So the finishing is the matte finish. So we'll just see the voltage rating here. So you can see that the output is 5 volt and 9 volt at 3 ampere. So that's a car charger, and you can just see there is one USB Type-C port there. So the output is a USB Type-C port, and you also get a cable included. So this is another USB cable. So we'll just take this out, and we'll also demo it in our car so that you can see how good it is. So we'll just take this out. So this is the cable included. Now we'll also demo it in the car. We'll see here, you can see that both the ends are USB Type-C. So this is the standard cable that comes with the Belkin car charger. It can be used to charge smartphones, ultrabooks and tablets. So now let's see this in the car. So now we are connected the Belkin's USB car charger to our car charging slot. So you can see this is how it looks, and you can just plug into your car charging slot, and as soon as you connect it, you can see there is a green light which glows, which indicates that the charger is working properly. And you can use your USB cable, the C-type cable which has been provided to charge the smartphone. Now let's plug this to a fast charging supported smartphone and see what it shows. So now we're going to connect the charger to a smartphone which supports Qualcomm's fast charging 3.0, and now we have just connected it, and you can see at the bottom of the display it shows fast charging. So there is support for fast charging with the Belkin's fast charger. It's a 27 watt fast charger, and if you have a smartphone with fast charging, Belkin's charger supports that. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Belkin's car charger. It's a 27 watt charger. It's priced at $44, and it can be purchased in India from Amazon and also at the retail stores which sells Belkin's products. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.